What makes castor oil such a powerful and versatile natural remedy, and why has it been used for centuries in various cultures around the world? Extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, Ricinus communis, castor oil has long been recognized for its potent medicinal properties, beauty-enhancing qualities, and even industrial applications. This thick, pale yellow oil has been a staple in traditional medicine, skincare, hair care, and holistic healing, offering benefits that range from digestive relief to enhanced skin hydration. As more people turn to natural alternatives for health and wellness, castor oil remains a trusted and effective solution for a variety of concerns. One of the most well-known uses of castor oil is its ability to act as a natural laxative. Containing a high concentration of ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that binds to receptors in the intestines and stimulates muscle contractions, castor oil has been traditionally used to relieve occasional constipation. Unlike synthetic laxatives, which can sometimes cause dependency or harsh side effects, castor oil provides a natural way to promote healthy bowel movements. However, it should be used with caution and in moderation, as excessive consumption can lead to dehydration and digestive discomfort. Beyond its digestive benefits, castor oil is a powerful ally for skin health. Due to its rich composition of fatty acids, it serves as an excellent moisturizer for dry, flaky, or irritated skin. It penetrates deep into the skin's layers, helping to lock in moisture and maintain hydration. This makes it particularly effective for individuals suffering from conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties also make it a great natural remedy for acne-prone skin, as it helps reduce redness, swelling, and bacterial growth that contribute to breakouts. Additionally, it has been found to support wound healing by keeping the affected area moisturized and free from infections, promoting faster tissue regeneration. Hair care enthusiasts often praise castor oil for its ability to promote hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. The high concentration of ricinoleic acid enhances blood circulation to the scalp, nourishing hair follicles and encouraging healthier, thicker hair growth. Many people use castor oil as a natural treatment for thinning hair, bald spots, and even eyebrow and eyelash growth. By applying a small amount of castor oil to the scalp or brows and massaging it in, individuals can see significant improvements in hair volume and texture over time. Moreover, its antifungal and antibacterial properties make it effective in treating dandruff and scalp infections, which are often responsible for hair loss and irritation. The anti-inflammatory nature of castor oil extends to pain relief, making it a natural remedy for joint pain, muscle aches, and arthritis. Many people use castor oil in warm compresses to soothe sore muscles and alleviate stiffness in joints. It can also be massaged directly onto areas of discomfort, where it absorbs quickly and provides relief from inflammation. Women who experience menstrual cramps often find relief by applying castor oil to the lower abdomen, as it helps relax the muscles and ease pain. Its ability to stimulate circulation further contributes to its pain-relieving properties, as improved blood flow can help reduce swelling and promote healing. Another lesser-known yet powerful benefit of castor oil is its ability to support immune function and detoxification. When applied externally as a castor oil pack, where a cloth soaked in castor oil is placed over the liver or abdomen, it encourages lymphatic drainage, which aids the body in eliminating toxins and waste. This practice has been used in holistic healing traditions for centuries and is thought to improve overall immune function by reducing inflammation and stimulating circulation. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. For individuals suffering from dry eyes, castor oil is an excellent natural lubricant. It is commonly used in eye drops to alleviate symptoms of dry eye syndrome, as it helps to retain moisture on the eye surface. Unlike synthetic eye drops, which may contain preservatives and artificial ingredients, castor oil provides a pure and gentle alternative that nourishes the eyes without irritation. Its soothing effects make it beneficial for people who experience eye strain due to prolonged screen use or environmental factors. One of the most intriguing uses of castor oil in traditional medicine is its potential role in inducing labor. Pregnant women have historically used castor oil under medical supervision to stimulate contractions and encourage labor. While some studies suggest that castor oil can help jumpstart labor by stimulating the intestines and, in turn, triggering uterine contractions, it is crucial that it only be used under the guidance of a healthcare provider, as improper use can lead to dehydration and intense contractions. Beyond its health and beauty benefits, castor oil has a wide range of practical applications in everyday life. It is commonly found in the production of soaps, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals due to its moisturizing and antibacterial properties. It is also used as a lubricant for machines and engines, demonstrating its versatility beyond personal care. Additionally, castor oil plays a role in the creation of biodegradable plastics and biofuels, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to synthetic materials. Despite its many benefits, it is essential to use castor oil with caution. While topical application is generally safe, some individuals may experience allergic reactions or skin irritation. Performing a patch test before applying castor oil to larger areas of the skin is recommended to avoid potential adverse reactions. When using castor oil orally, it is important to adhere to proper dosage guidelines to prevent unwanted side effects such as diarrhea and dehydration. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult with a healthcare professional before using castor oil, especially in cases where it may affect labor or milk production. Incorporating castor oil into your wellness routine can provide numerous benefits, whether you're seeking relief from digestive issues, healthier skin and hair, pain relief, or enhanced immune function. Its versatility and effectiveness make it a valuable natural remedy that has stood the test of time. As more people embrace holistic health and natural solutions, castor oil continues to be a trusted and reliable option for those looking to improve their overall well-being in a safe and natural way. Whether used alone or in combination with other beneficial oils, castor oil remains a powerful and time-honored solution for a variety of health concerns, proving that nature often provides the best remedies for our bodies and minds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from castor oil. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried castor oil before? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing health and wellness tips. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.